In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery door as well as the USB port door and place them back on. It is best to remove your camera from any adapter. Place to the side with the battery door open by pushing up and releasing, grabbing it with the hand and thumb and holding strong, pull away. Turning the camera around. Releasing the door is simply sliding down and doing the same procedure, pulling away. This is the action 4. Opening the door, grabbing, and opening the bottom door and grabbing. With the action 3, opening the door, grabbing, and opening the port door and grabbing. You don't want a broken door to happen like so. In order to place the doors back on, make sure it's open 100%, slide over the hinge, and carefully push and lock. Secured close. And to do the same thing to the door for the battery. To place the battery door, turn the camera around so the bottom is facing up. Look for the hinge, and you can repeat for the others the same way. Line up, lock, match, snap, lock. And you're good to go on all the cameras. If you discover a broken door, get with DJI and they'll be more than happy to help you out. I hope this video has helped you out in replacing your doors, how to take them off and put them on.